Hello. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Lines. I am your host, Ella. I am very happy to see you today. Or I am happy to talk to you today. How are you? Are you good? Are you happy? Or are you tired? Today, we have a very important topic. It is a topic for students. It is a topic for everyone who learns. Today, we talk about exams. Do you know the word exam? Let me spell it. E-X-A-M. Exam. An exam is a test. It is a big test. Maybe you have an English exam. Maybe you have a math exam. Maybe you have a driving exam. Do you like exams? Most people say, "No, Ella, I do not like exams." Exams can be scary. Exams can make you nervous. But today, we will learn how to get ready. We will learn how to prepare. To prepare means to get ready. When you cook dinner, you prepare the food. When you go to school, you prepare your bag. Today, we prepare for exams. Don't worry, I will help you. We will speak slowly. We will use simple words. Are you ready? Let's start. Step number 1. To prepare for an exam, you need a plan. What is a plan? P-L-A-N. A plan is like a map. It tells you what to do. Think about your week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. You have 7 days. You cannot study all day every day. You need to know, when do I study? Please take a piece of paper, take a pen, write down the days. On Monday, maybe you study for 1 hour. On Tuesday, maybe you study for 2 hours. On Wednesday, maybe you rest. This paper is your plan. If you do not have a plan, you will be confused. You will ask, "What do I do today?" But if you have a plan, you look at the paper, you say, today is Tuesday. I study English. It is simple, but it is very important. Make a plan. Let's practice speaking. I will say a sentence. You repeat after me. Are you ready? Practice moment 1. Please listen and repeat. I need a plan. I write my plan on paper. I study on Monday and Tuesday. Very good. Do you have your paper? Do you have your plan? Good. Now, step number 2. We have a plan. Now we need a place. Where do you study? Do you study in the kitchen? Do you study in the bedroom? Do you study at a coffee shop? You need a quiet place. Quiet. Q-U-I-E-T. Quiet. Quiet means no noise, no loud music, no TV, no people talking. Shh, quiet. If you study in a loud place, you cannot think. Your brain cannot work. You need a quiet place. Look at your desk. Is it clean or is it dirty? If your desk has old food or old papers, please clean it. Put away the things you do not need. You only need your book. You only need your pen. You only need your light. A clean place helps your brain. A dirty place hurts your brain. So please find a quiet place, sit down, make it clean. Let's practice this word, quiet. Repeat after me. I need a quiet place. My desk is clean. I cannot study with noise. Good job! A plan and a quiet place. We are doing very well. Step number 3. This is very difficult. Are you listening? You must stop the phone. Yes, your mobile phone, your smartphone, iPhone, Samsung, it does not matter. The phone is bad for studying. Why? Because the phone makes noise. Beep, beep, ding, ding. You get a message. You look at the phone. You get a video. You look at the phone. You look at Facebook. You look at Instagram. You look at TikTok. And then 1 hour is gone. You did not study. You looked at the phone. When you prepare for an exam, put the phone away. Put it in your bag. Put it in another room. Turn it off. Do not look at it. This is hard, I know. I love my phone too, but for the exam, you must focus. To focus means to look at one thing only. Look at your book. Do not look at your phone. Let's try to say this. It is a promise to yourself. Repeat after me. I will stop my phone. I need to focus on my book. No phone when I study. Excellent. Be strong. You can do it. Step number 4. We have a plan. We have a quiet place. We stopped the phone. Now, what do? We read and we write. Open your book. Read the words. But simply reading is not enough. Here is a secret tip. A tip is a small piece of help. Here is the tip. Write it down. When you read something important, take your pen, write it in your notebook. When you write, your brain remembers better. Read the English word, write the English word. Read the sentence, write the sentence. Do not just look with your eyes. Use your hand, use your pen. And here is another tip. Speak. Read out loud. Let your ears hear the words. So, you see the word apple, you write apple, and you say apple. Eyes, hand, mouth, ears. Use all of them. This is how you prepare for an exam. Let's practice this action. Repeat after me. I read and I write. I speak the words out loud. My hand helps my brain remember. Very good. You are working very hard. We are almost finished, but step number 5 is the most important step for your body. You are a person. You are not a machine. You are not a robot. To pass an exam, you need energy. Where do you get energy? From sleep and from water. Many students make a mistake. They study all night. They do not sleep. They study at 1 a.m., they study at 2 a.m. This is bad, very bad. If you do not sleep, your brain is tired. If your brain is tired, it forgets everything. Please, sleep for 7 hours or 8 hours. Sleep is good. Sleep helps you remember. And water. Drink water. Do not drink only coffee. Do not drink only soda or cola. Drink clean, fresh water. Keep a bottle of water on your desk. Drink it often. If you are thirsty, you will get a headache. If you have a headache, you cannot study. So be nice to your body. Sleep well. Drink water. Let's say it together. Repeat after me. I will sleep 8 hours. I drink water every day. My brain needs sleep. Good. Take a drink of water now. I will wait. Good? Okay. You are doing a great job. We have learned many things today. Let's do a quick review. A review means we look at the words again. We remember them. I will ask you a question. You answer. Question 1. What do you make with a pen and paper for your week? It is a plan. Yes, a plan. Question 2. Where should you study? A loud place or a quiet place? A. Quiet place. Yes, a quiet place. Question 3. What must you turn off? The phone. Yes, stop the phone. Question 4. What should you do with your pen? You should write. Yes, Read and write. Question 5. What does your body need at night? It needs sleep. Yes. Did you get the answers? I think you did. You are smart. Preparing for an exam is big work, but simple steps make it easy. Make a plan, find a quiet place, stop the phone, write your notes, and sleep. If you do these 5 things, you will be ready. You will be calm. You can do this. The exam is just a test. You are a good student. Keep listening to English every day. Small steps. Every day, a little bit more. Thank you for listening to Daily English Lines. I am Ella. I am very proud of you. Good luck with your exams. Good luck with your study. I will see you next time. Goodbye.